Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani. Today I will show you how to cook Sacchettini crab baked with mushroom. This is Italiano Cucine. What I need is 250 gram Sacchettini, this ready, crab stick 300 gram, mushroom I use 100 gram, parsley after that like this, and garlic. We need also grated cheese 300 gram, Wishping Cream, in Greece we call it crema galactose, and olive oil. Let's go cooking. Okay, lovely people, we put Sacchettini inside Pyrex. We give olive oil, mushroom, very easy, simple food. We bake, use 180 degree till 45 minutes. We give also garlic, parsley. For now we give half. Now we stir with the mix. Okay. Little bit olive oil again. Alright. And salt. Almost half teaspoon, right? Black pepper, also half teaspoon, and we stir again. After we put Wishping Cream, in Greece we call crema galactose. Okay, Wishping Cream we give 400 gram, first 200, now more 200. Okay. Stir a little bit. Lovely people, don't forget subscribe, like and share. After we put crab like this, everything for the crab we put on the top. After, let's go put inside in the oven. We use 180 degree. People, you can see. Now we start to bake Sacchettini crab with mushroom. Alright, lovely people. After half minute, 30 minutes, we stir a little bit like this, and we wait until 10 minutes. After we give grated cheese. for the last minute. Alright, lovely people, after 40 minutes, we give parsley leaf and grated cheese. And we put that again till 5 minutes, and everything will be ready. Alright, lovely people, Sacchettini crab baked with mushroom. This is ready. Now we wait 5 minutes to make cheese will be a little bit dry and ready to serve. Okay, lovely people, you can see, lovely. Wow, so delicious. The sauce, lovely. Okay, you can see Sacchettini. Wow, so delicious. Hello people, Sacchettini crab baked with mushroom is ready. Now time to try. You can see Sacchettini is done. Lovely. Now I try first Sacchettini. The Wishping Cream sauce. So delicious, because Sacchettini use also truffle oil inside. Now I try crab. Lovely. Okay. So delicious. Mushroom. Look. Lovely. Okay, lovely people, don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video and new recipe. Salam Indonesia.